Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation to Director General Hyun-dae Kim and Director Kang-hyun Lee and all those who made this meaningful occasion possible. Also, I must extend my thanks to Professor Paul Snyder and Mr. Len Johnson and Mr. Bill Dajat. And all our distinguished guests for accepting our invitation despite the long journey. I'm honored to welcome esteemed leaders from industry, academia, research institutes, and government sector of both Korea and the United States to this historic forum, where we come together to build a global joint supply chain and secure global leadership in the drone sector. Following the signing of MOU between KRAUV and the government of North Dakota last October, and our second meeting in Houston this May, this forum marks our third official gatherings. Through seminars and exchanges of publication, we have come to better understand each other and have a strong belief that we can accomplish great things through mutual cooperation. The U.S. possesses the most advanced technology and expertise in the UAS sector, while Korea excels in manufacturing capabilities and ICT. I'm confident that by combining our strengths, our two nations will not only expand the current market for drone airframes and components, but also pioneer new frontiers in the rapidly growing field of drone application. Furthermore, with the leadership of CASA and the U.S. Department of Commerce and Select USA program and the government of North Dakota, I'm convinced that our industry, academy, and research communities will achieve a number of outstanding results by fostering a supportive environment for industrial cluster and collaborative R&D. I hope that we can jointly identify key challenges to address together through continuous cooperation. And when we meet again this October in North Dakota, I believe we will be one step closer to achieving tangible outcomes. I warmly wish our guests from the United States a memorable and enjoyable stay in Korea, and I hope that our Korean participants gain meaningful insight from this forum. In closing, I extend my sincere wishes for your continued success and prosperity. Thank you so much.